Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Laam Shamsiya and Laam Qamariya. You know, Shams is Arabic word, Shams. Shams mean you can see picture. What is it? Sun. Sun. Yes. Okay, Shams mean sun and Qamar mean moon. Moon. Okay, Laam Shamsiya and Laam Qamariya. Okay, what does mean Laam Shamsiya and Qamariya? Can you see sun? When sun is appear in the morning, it's bright. Can you see it? Can you see it? You can't see. It's a light is so much and we can't see sun. Remember this thing, and we can't read sun letter. When appear sun letters, then we can't read Lam, as we can't see the sun. When it's appear, we can't see the sun. Yeah, in the morning, can we see? No, because it's a brightness is so much and we can't see it. And Lam we can't read. We can see in the word in writing, but we can't pronounce. Okay, for example, you say az. Here you can see on Mushaf, you see the sword, this tiny sign like this, top on Hamza. Top on Hamza, you see this sign. It means it's silent. It called Hamzatul Wasl. Wasl means for joining. Hamza for joining the letters, joining with other letters. Okay, this is Hamzatul Wasl. Remember Hamzatul Wasl.
This is
Hamzatul Wasl. Okay, Wasl means joining. Hamza for joining. Okay, now here when you see in word Lam is silent, no harka on top of Lam, then Lam doesn't pronounce. When Lam, no any harka, no sukoon, no any harka on Lam, then Lam doesn't pronounce. We can't read al. Okay, because if there is a Lam is silent, no harka, that's why it's az. And look, after a is za. Okay, one thing remember, I said is Hamzatul Wasl, because if before there is any word, then we will connect the word, this word with the za. Okay, like there is a waw, wazzaytun. If you say suratin, wattini, wazzaytun. Now I write here waw, was. Waw goes with za. Was. Waw goes with the za. Now this Hamza silent, doesn't pronounce. Even Hamza and Lam, they are not pronouncing. It is Lam is Lame Shamsiya. Lame Shamsiya. Okay, it is in word but doesn't pronounce. Remember one thing, you can see, you know, shadda. If you don't know the letters, then remember one sign of shad sign. If after alif lam appears shadda, then lam doesn't pronounce. Remember this thing as well. You know, mostly teacher, they don't tell the rules. Just say that there is a shadda, don't pronounce lam. It's easy. Okay, they don't say it's a shamsiya or qamariya, because it's if they tell in detail, then you have to learn the letters, and you know it's a confusion. That's why they just only say if any letter has shadda, then al doesn't pronounce. It's a az or was. Okay? Remember this thing. If you don't know the letters, then remember shadda. If appears shadda on any letter before al, after al, then al doesn't pronounce. Is it clear? Okay. The second is Laam Qamariya. Qamar mean moon. Okay. Laam Qamariya mean you can see Qamar, moon, when it appears at the night. Can you see? Yeah. Yes, you can see. Okay. That's why Lam, al, or Lam, we can pronounce and we can see. We can see in the picture, in the word, and we can pronounce it. Okay? Laam Qamariya is easy. Okay, for example, here is Hamza. There is a Hamzatul Wasl, and then is Lam. Now, there is no any letter, but what we can do, we can give this letter, Hamza. Which harka we can do it? No, harka mean ha, a, I, u. What we can pronounce? Hamza fatha a, or Hamza kasra I, or Hamza damma u? A. Because before letter, if any letter appear, if we say wal fath, if I put there wow, okay, then this Hamza is like this. It's silent. Now wal fathu, wal fathu. Now you can see lam sound, wal. It's a qamariya, it's a pronouncing, lam pronouncing. Yeah, and here lam doesn't pronounce. In shamsiya letter, lam doesn't pronounce, and qamariya letters, lam pronounce. Remember? Okay, now you can learn some letter of a qamariya letter. These called qamariya letters. Qamariya. Is if you can't learn, that's fine, because you know there you can see sign top on lam schoon. Then you know this is its pronouncing. Is no sign on lam schoon like this lam, then it doesn't pronounce. If you see the lam has this sign, spoon sign, then it's pronounced. Remember, it's easy. If you learn or you can write down some letters, that's fine. It's a, ba, gha, ghain, ha, jim, kaf, waw, kha, fa, ain, qaf, ya, mim, ha. These letters are qamariya letters, hurufe qamariya. Okay? If you don't know, then remember lam schoon is pronounced. If lam has no schoon, doesn't pronounce. Remember this easy thing. Okay. Next here, qamariya and shamsiya letters. You can see in first example there is no. It's okay. Shamsiya. You know lam doesn't pronounce. You can see lam has no harka. That's why lam doesn't pronounce. What we can see? We can say as-salabu, as-salabu, and you can see in third letter swad has shadda, and is as-salabu, as-salabu, and next is an lam is in word lam, but we can't read it. It's a an-nahari, an-nahari, and now noon has shadda, and you will learn the rule of ghunna. There is a ghunna nasal sound as well. An-nahari.
We read Hamza, not Lam, in Shamsiyah.
But now if there is any word before al
Alif.
or an, then we will merge the letter into noon. We can't say a.
If there is wa, then one
Nahar, yes.
Okay. If there is no letter, it's the beginning of the ayah.
Yeah,
and
then
then
a.
we need alif.
Yeah, Hamza.
And it's
Fatha.
like a fatha.
Fatha, and sometimes it's a kasra. We will read it. I told it I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, when it's a third letter of the word has kasra, then give Hamza kasra. If third letter has fatha or dhamma, then give fatha.
Third letter means previous ayat have a...
No, not previous. This, look, the noon as fatha here. It's a third letter. Okay. Okay, next is Qamariya. Qamariya, lam pronounce and lam spoon. Al-Jannah, Al-Jannah, Al-Jannata, and Al-Najib.